Everyone loves pizza. It's one of America's favorites, and now it's fast and easy to make at home.
Hey, I'm Eric Feast, and this is the Copper Chef Perfect Pizza and Crisper Pan.
An ordinary pizza pan only has one side, so you can only cook one kind of pizza. But the Copper Chef double-sided pan lets you make thin crust pizza. Flip it over for New York style regular crust, stuffed crust, and even deep dish pizza. It even has a 15-inch pizza crisping screen. The secret is the Air Crisp technology. It lets heat circulate above, under, and around the pizza for super crunchy crust. Add the springform wall. It adds extra deep sides. You just fasten it around the pan to make Chicago-style deep dish pizza. It's so easy. I'm using pizza dough from the store. Add marinara sauce, lots of cheese, meatball, sausage, pepperoni, and then put it in the oven. All right, it's pizza time. Just unlatch, lift up, take a look at this crust.
You know, I gotta get the cameraman in here. Now, here's the real proof. Fresh pizza's so good.
Watch this. Put the screen on top of the sides and it becomes a crisper. That turns your oven into an air fryer.
Now you can enjoy your favorite fried foods without the guilt.
Because there's no oil and a lot less fat and calories. Mozzarella sticks on aluminum foil, they burn, pop, and boil.
Look at this mozzarella stick. Crunchy and crispy on the outside.
And ooey gooey cheesy on the inside. And nothing sticks to this pan because it's made of non-stick Ceramtech. It's PTFE and PFOA free, it's dishwasher safe.